Now, from the desert's news leader, KESQ News Channel 3 HD in the morning, weekend.
Time now for our weekly segment, Traveling with Francoise. Francoise Rose is here to talk to us about some travel destinations you may want to check out. And you know, what I love about you coming here is that you tell us about stuff we don't, ordinarily think about or know about when we're traveling on vacations. And today, we're going to talk about Vegas, but not the cliche Vegas things, like the gambling and, sitting by the pool. But you have other stuff you're going to tell us about Vegas, right?
Not Mark's Vegas, buffets and gambling. I experienced Vegas in a whole new way.
Right.
I just came back from a trip and I stayed at the Platinum Hotel. Now, what made the Platinum Hotel different was there's no casino, non-smoking, all suites and balconies with tables and chairs. Now that was a whole new experience for me, but I loved it because I only gambled when I wanted to gamble, not when I was bored. And I thought, oh, am I going to like this? But I really enjoyed it. I was just a couple blocks away from the strip, just a block away from gambling, so I could go when I wanted to. And it really was a nice experience. I went to see Cher. It was just, like I say, more relaxing as well. And then I did something I've never done. I always just go to Vegas and gamble and go to the buffet.
That's what we all do.
We just tend to do it. I hopped in the car and about 35 miles away, I went to a state park that was just absolutely phenomenal. The Valley of Fire State Park.
Valley of Fire State Park.
It was Nevada's oldest state park, 46,000 acres. There's petroglyphs, petrified logs. The rocks are 150 million years old. I mean, it truly was incredible. And most of the visitors there were tourists, foreign tourists.
So a really good place to take the kids so they can see something new and learn a little bit on a vacation too.
Spectacular. I mean, really spectacular. And no one knew about it. Everyone I asked here in the Valley, have you ever heard of the Valley of Fire? Nope, never heard of it. There's Hoover Dam, there's Lake Mead. There's so many things to do in Vegas besides gambling and the buffet. And again, staying at a non-casino type hotel was fabulous. I just loved it.
Okay, so actually, do you know any special roads? I know you always know the destinations, how to get there. Vegas is what, about 3.5 hours, 4 hours away?
3.5, 4 hours. It took me a little longer because traffic. There was so much going on in Vegas: rodeo, NASCAR, the Country Music Awards, Fashion Week. They had so much going on. But what I found when I went north and came back north, the view of the valley was spectacular. I didn't realize that the Valley of Vegas was that large. Okay. It's huge, just gorgeous. So be adventurous, get away from the machines, get away from the buffet, Mark, get in the car and go for a little ride.
Okay, well maybe you can have a little of both Vegas. You can have the gambling, like you said. You can also travel to a park and see something with the kids. So a pretty nice vacation.
It's great. They also have an old 150-year-old fort right in the middle of town in Vegas, the Mormon Fort. So there are things to do. And yes, I came home with a few dollars.
All right, that's always good to come out on top.
Yeah.
All right, so always exciting things on your website. What's exciting on your website this week you're going to tell us about?
Well, you can go to the website travelingwithfrancoise.com and register for a 2-night stay at the Platinum with breakfast for 2 days, both days for 2 people. I'll be giving that away on May 2nd. So go to my website, Traveling with Francoise. No show tomorrow. Following Sunday, News Talk 920 KPSI.
All right, that sounds like a lot of fun. Never too late to travel, right?
That's right, yeah.
All right, so never too late to travel to Vegas and do something different as well.